So how are we going to start? Because your body type or the abnormal doshas do matter, because they have a role in what kind of skin you have. For example, you have high vata, your skin will be more dryish. If you have high kapha, your skin will be more oily. And if you have got pitta, your skin is very thin, warm, radiant. It can fluctuate between the dryness and the oiliness depending on where it combines. If you have vata and pitta combination, vata and kapha combination, then your skin switches between dry and oily skin. So much is there. Where shall we start from? Let's leave it aside. Let's start from the next is the balanced mind. It plays a huge role. The reason is there is another triangle. If you look after that triangle, we can sort out this triangle. Then another triangle is the triangle of vata. Triangle of vata goes from the mind or the pranavata sthana to the gut, where the Mula Vata is there, the Mula Sthana of the Vata, and again to the periphery, that is the Sparshanendriya. So, importance of the balanced mind is, any one is tipped here, others get affected. So, mind is at the center. It has direct connection to both the Sparshanendriya and the gut. And these two have the direct connection there. And the skin to gut and gut to skin, there is connection, but that connection is much slower. So mind is sitting in the center part or on the epitome of this triangle. You have to have the balanced mind for balancing this triangle, which is the Vata triangle, what I call, that is the mind, gut, and the skin or the sensory organ, touch sensory organ. Yeah.
I'm going to just briefly explain more in a yogic way how stress, how you can release the stress and how you can move on towards healthier skin and healthier self, feeling yourself also more healthier and calmer. So whenever you are in a state of fight or flight, you tend to be rushing things. Like you might have also observed some people who tend to be having higher pitta, or maybe you can call it maybe higher pitta or vata, or anxiousness, a little tend to get stressed easily about even basic things around the daily routine also. They tend to be more in a fight or flight mode, and they tend to rush things as if something is supposed to be urgent, but which is, if you look it more clearly, more like zooming it out or relaxed way, it is maybe not that urgent also. But people tend to take things very urgent and act like you're rushing into many things. So what happens is, you naturally, like your body feels and understands it as a stressful situation, and in turn it gets into a fight or flight mode. So which in turn causes, of course, the effects we have already discussed, that how your skin reacts and in the stressful situation, and what all goes in the background and how it shows up on your skin. So what we need to do with yoga, that I'm going to explain it, like we want to get out of the fight or flight more and get more towards the rest, relax, regenerate and digest mode. So how yoga can help you do that, we're going to explain that.